Success begins in the way I think, before the world takes shape. Victory forms through vision, not through effort or escape. Big thoughts organize momentum. They move without restraint. The mind does not measure difficulty by size or weight. What feels vast to the senses is simple to the mind. Creation moves with equal ease through the small and the grand design. The same presence fills the moment, the same power fills the whole. Infinite space and quiet detail answer the same I allow my thoughts to widen. I release the urge to shrink. The mastermind acts naturally by choosing how to think. Large visions carry